Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to actually do some Bronco content. We haven't done that in a while. It's not going to be too exciting though. We're going to actually install a new phone mount. We've gone through a couple different styles. We'll show you those and they just don't work for us. So we found this one on Amazon that we're going to install today, and hopefully we have better results, so stick with us. Alright guys, so here's a couple of the phone mounts that we've used in the past. This one actually threads into the accessory port there that comes with the Bronco, and it kind of worked for a while, but once you put your phone in it several times, it starts to loosen up, doesn't stay tight, so that one wasn't going to work for us. Then we did get one of these window suction cup ones, and the window on the Bronco is so short that it just eats up a lot of your viewing space, and when it's really hot out, this thing will start falling off. It won't stay suction cupped. So that one didn't work so well, so we're gonna go for number 3 here. So this is what we picked up from Amazon. So we'll put this in and show you with a finished result here. But basically this actually installs over the dash, and it has some double-sided tape that keeps it secure. So we'll see if that lasts. And then this ram style mount here will come out here, and then you can actually mount your phone with the supplied phone mount right here. So you could actually pick up different style phone mounts if you like it, any that use that ram style ball. So yeah, let's get to it. We'll install it quick and we'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, so that's where this is gonna go. It's gonna go right up here. And then it actually gives you a little area to store things up top here and in here, so that'll be kind of nice to have some extra storage up there. And then as you can see, right here is where the mount for the phone is going to come off, so that'll actually come off right there, and then we can mount our phone right here. And I think that'll be a good spot for having the phone right here with easy reach. So I actually did some alcohol wipes around this area here to get it nice and clean before we put this on, to make sure that double-sided tape will stick well. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the backing for this, and we'll get it installed. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. It seems pretty secure right now. Only time will tell whether that double-sided tape is going to hold up or not. But I'm actually going to do a couple days of use with this before I post the video to let you know if it holds up and how it's doing. So if you guys are interested in this, there's a couple different styles of this on Amazon, so I'll have my affiliate links in the description if you guys are interested in checking it out and making a purchase. And yeah, so hopefully this is third time is the charm for phone mounts, because like I said, we tried a few different ones and they just don't work for us. So, and I like the idea of having some extra storage. So if you guys haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Have a good one.